Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. If you are returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a fridge clean with me. I plan on going grocery shopping this week. In the current state that it's in, I would not be able to fit anything in it. And just a little TMI. There is a smell coming from this refrigerator and I cannot figure it out. But I did, after recording this video, I knew exactly where it came from. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do, of course, is remove everything out. I'm not going to remove the stuff from the door because I already know the stuff from the door is still good. It's just about condiments and stuff like that. But in the end, I am going to take a rag with soapy water and just wipe it down. So this is what we're looking like. Again, I know exactly where the smell is coming from. Obviously, some meat that I was defrosting had spilled out. I don't even know what this is. It's stuck on paper towel. So, yeah. This is everything that came out of the refrigerator, minus, of course, the things in the door. And I was really amazed at how much stuff we can actually fit in there. It basically covered all of my countertops and the island. I usually like to use warm soapy water when I'm cleaning the fridge, but because of this current state and the meat juice that is on here, I decided to bring out the big guns and spray it with some bleach. And then I also still have a bowl that of warm soapy water as well. I really took my time and scrubbed this thing down. It took me about 20 minutes actually to clean it, and now it looks brand new. I am in love. Now I am just going to separate the food that needs to be thrown in the trash and what needs to go back into the refrigerator. I'm also going to be cleaning out, wiping down, and reorganizing the 2 drawers from the bottom of the fridge. So this is everything that I threw away from the containers, and now I'm going to start working on putting everything back into the fridge. So this is the final product. It looked so empty to me, but don't worry, once I go grocery shopping, it will be full again. But that is it for this video. Appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.